Welcome to SBS News in Easy English. I'm Philippa Carisbrook. New South Wales has recorded 44 new local COVID-19 cases. 29 were infectious while in the community. The state's Premier Gladys Berejiklian is urging people in Sydney to stay at home. She's also asked more people to get vaccinated.
So please do not think that the New South Wales government thinks we can live with this when our rate of vaccination is only at 9%.
Up to 1 million doses of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine will be available in Australia a week, very soon. That's up from 350,000 doses a week currently. Supplies will increase from July 19. The Therapeutic Goods Administration says the death of a woman in Western Australia was probably linked to the AstraZeneca vaccine. The 61-year-old developed a rare blood clotting disorder after receiving the vaccine. She's the third person in Australia to die from complications from the shot. Victoria has gone 9 days without recording a locally acquired COVID-19 case. Restrictions have eased overnight in Melbourne. Masks are no longer required in offices. They must be worn in retail and hospitality. Capacity at large venues has increased, and dance floors have reopened. Queensland has recorded no new locally acquired cases of COVID-19. More than 8,600 people remain in isolation in the state. Queensland's Chief Health Officer, Jeanette Young, has thanked everyone who has gotten tested and gone into self-isolation.
It's that working together as Queenslanders have been doing that has kept all of us safe.
The Northern Territory is lifting all COVID-19 restrictions. The state has recorded 2 new local coronavirus cases. They're linked to a cluster at a mine and have been in quarantine. Chief Minister Michael Gunner says restrictions have been effective and can now be lifted.
We came close. We could have been in a very different situation. From what started as just one case from Queensland, it quickly grew to 19. It spread across 4 jurisdictions.
The death toll from the collapse of an apartment building in Miami has risen to 64. Crews in Florida have recovered 10 more bodies from the ruins. 76 people remain missing and are feared dead. The federal government has decided not to raise the age of criminal responsibility. More than 30 countries have been calling on Australia to raise the minimum age from 10 to 14. They say the law disproportionately impacts Indigenous children. At the United Nations Human Rights Council, Australia has chosen not to change its position. Human rights groups say it's a missed opportunity. Australia's Dylan Alcott and Ash Barty are 1 match away from winning Wimbledon. They will play in their singles competitions this weekend. Barty says she's honoured to be the first Australian women's finalist since Yvonne Goolagong in 1980.
It's a really special anniversary for Yvonne, and I couldn't be more proud to be in a position to wear an outfit inspired by her, and now to kind of give myself a chance to create some history in a way that's a tribute to her is really exciting.
Australia's Nick Kyrgios has withdrawn from the Tokyo Olympics. He says playing without spectators in the stadium doesn't feel right. A state of emergency in the Japanese capital means fans can't attend. I'm Philippa Carisbrook. This is SBS News in Easy English.